Ugly is defined as unpleasant or repulsive. In my opinion, there's not one single one of you out there that is ugly in appearance, but there are some things that you could be potentially doing that are giving the illusion that you are ugly, aka unpleasant and repulsive. It's crazy, but I have seen these spiciest of senoritas do some of these things, and automatically they go from being like super crazy, nuts, ridiculous hot to freaking ugly because they're repulsive. Gentlemen, it all starts with number one. Dude, you should have seen her. Oh my God, bro. Let me tell you, it is crazy. Talking too loud on the phone in public. Gentlemen, there's a direct correlation between people talking super loud on the phone when they're around a bunch of people and them being ignorant a-holes. There's nothing that makes you look less classy than when you're talking on the phone and acting like nobody else is around. It doesn't matter if it's a business meeting. It doesn't matter if you're talking to your boys. If you're on the phone and you're super loud, you look ugly. And like an a-hole. Speaking of ass, the second thing that makes you look ugly in the eyes of spicy senoritas is thinking that pornography is reality. So I'm not here to debate the pros and cons of pornography or masturbation or anything like that, but what I will say to you is this. If you are somebody who views pornography as reality and the way that you should treat a woman or a man or whatever you're into, you're an idiot and probably terrible in the bedroom because you think that is the way it's supposed to be. Gentlemen, it's not. Pornography is a lot of things, but reality is not one of them. You need to make sure that you are treating people with dignity and respect and taking your time in the bedroom. Number 3, too many piercings or tattoos on your face. I'm just looking out for you long term, and if you want to be viewed as somebody who is reliable, responsible, you gotta take it easy on the tattoos or piercings on your face. Number 4, smoking. In my opinion, there's nothing more repulsive or unattractive than somebody who is smoking. It doesn't matter if they're smoking a cigarette or they're vaping. In my opinion, I think it looks a little bit trashy. 5th thing that makes you unpleasant and repulsive to look at up close is big, nasty, clogged pores and blackheads. Having a bunch of nasty blackheads and whiteheads and greasy skin and it's all over the place, gentlemen, is not exactly super sexy. And by not super sexy, I mean not super sexy. But the good news is that by doing a few simple things every single day, each and every one of you can have amazing, glowing, radiating skin. There are a few things that you need to do every single day in order to have incredible skin. Not just like average skin or above average. I'm talking amazing skin. Every single day, twice a day, you need to wash your face with a high quality wash. Do not use a bar of soap that you use on your body and on your ass and your smelly testes on your face. Not only is it kind of nasty, the skin on your face is different than the skin on your body. The skin on your body is thicker, all right? The skin on your face, it's more delicate, and so it requires a face wash that isn't gonna like strip everything. It's actually going to be light, it's gonna be mild, it's going to leave the essential oils that your skin needs in order to look fresh. Speaking of fresh, twice a week, you need to exfoliate your skin. Exfoliation gently removes the top layer of skin, and what happens when you do this, it brings new fresh skin to the surface. And then twice a day, moisturize in the morning and at night. In the morning, you need a moisturizer with an SPF of at least 20 to ensure that you're protecting your face from the sun's harmful rays that wants to pop you in the kisser and make you look wrinkled, old, and spotty. Not good. And in the evening, you need a mild moisturizer that's going to help rebuild, regenerate all the collagen and the amazingness that is your skin and your face. And that's it. 4 simple steps, 4 simple products. Guys, those are the products that come in a Tiege Hanley Level 1 skincare system. The basic, the essentials that every single one of you need to be using. In every system, you're also going to get this, a welcome card along with instructions. We tell you exactly what time of day to use what products, in what order, and how much. There's also a handsomeness hotline. If you've got any skincare questions, guys, you can always give Tiege Hanley a call and we will hook it up. Link down below to go grab a Tiege Hanley system, any system that you want at an incredible price. Because I am one of the founders, I'm able to give you a better deal than anybody else or anywhere else you're going to find online. Guys, we've got a limited number of systems that we're selling at a very, 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 very incredible discount. If you want to grab one, guys, hit that link down below, go sign up for Tiege and get handsomer tomorrow. The sixth thing that makes you unpleasant and repulsive looking is parking in the handicap spot when you're not handicapped. Just yesterday, I'm at Starbucks in the morning. I see this super badass, like fine, like attractive woman come in, looks all polished, presentable. I'm like, damn, she's pretty fine. No need to tell my wife. Anyway, that's beside the point. I see her, I'm like, damn, she's fine. But I look outside and there's some asshole parked in the handicap spot. Guess who it was? Her ugly ass. The seventh thing that makes you a little bit repulsive is that you stink. Whether or not you've got funky ass nasty breath, you've got BO, or your clothing stinks. Shower twice a day, I use deodorant, my breath is always as fresh as possible. But my clothing, because of going to the gym and sweating, a lot of the performance clothing that I have just ended up stinking over time. The stuff I found that works, guys, is this product, Hero Clean. If you missed the video I did talking about this, guys, I'll link to it down below. But solid product that I think you guys are gonna love. If you suffer from stinky athletic wear like I do, that stuff is a game changer. The eighth thing that makes you a little bit repulsive is being pessimistic, having a pessimistic attitude. I think people are like energy vampires. They just suck the life out of everything good. And honestly, it's just something I choose not to be around. Whenever I identify somebody as a pessimist, I basically... The ninth thing that makes you look a bit repulsive to other people is acting like a slut and showcasing it, in my opinion. Last but certainly not least, the 10th thing that makes you ugly, aka repulsive, is talking trash about other people. There's nothing more repulsive than when somebody talks trash, talks behind somebody's back, or is just mean, or puts other people down. Guys, you're amazing and you're beautiful. And the one thing that can automatically enhance anybody's look is to be kind, be courteous, and to help the little guy. Guys, you are amazing and you're beautiful. Do not treat anybody with disrespect. You're alpha. That means that you got some responsibilities. One of them is to give this video one of these if you dug it. The other one is for you to be an amazing man.